For this project, we need an ESP32 Wi-Fi module, a DC gear motor, a motor driver module like L2938, and a 5-volt 1 ampere adapter for power, and of course 3D parts. Now I am adding 4 jumper wires to the positive and negative of the adapter, 2 red female jumper wires for positive and 2 white female jumper wires for negative. We will use this to power ESP32 and also the motor driver. Now we will connect the motor to the motor driver and the motor driver to ESP32 with the help of female to female jumper wires. Now we will connect one red wire and one white wire to ESP32's positive and negative, then as well as the motor driver. Our circuit is completed. Now connect the motor to the 3D parts as shown in the video and fix it with the screws. Code is given in the description. After uploading the code, it connects the ESP32 to your Wi-Fi network and allows you to send commands through a mobile app or web page. When you press the Fed Now button, the ESP32 activates the motor for a few seconds, rotating the dispenser and releasing a set amount of food.